The chuck adjusts open and close to securely hold a drill bit, allowing you to use a variety of different sizes. There are 3 jaws in the chuck that clamp against the drill bit. After years of hard use, these jaws will wear, and your drill bit might begin to slip in the chuck. Sometimes a jaw inside the chuck can be broken off. Replacing the chuck is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the retaining screw on the inside of the chuck. The retaining screw is a reverse thread. Next, I'll take a large Allen wrench and chuck it into the chuck. Now I'll take a mallet and strike the Allen wrench. The sudden jolt will break free the threads so I can remove the chuck. Now I'll thread the new chuck into place. I'll reinsert the Allen wrench just so I can get a better grip to tighten up the chuck. I'll use the chuck key to keep the chuck from rotating. Now reinstall the retaining screw. And again, remember this is reverse thread. The chuck kit came with a new key. I'll go ahead and install it into the holder. And now you know how to replace the chuck and key on your drill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.